Life on the road is full of breathtaking views, unexpected turns, and unforgettable memories. But one thing it shouldn't be: disorganized. At Living in a Bubble, we know how precious every inch of space is inside your car or van. That's why we're thrilled to introduce our premium seat back storage and utility bag, now available in 2 brand new colors: calming beige and bold colorful. Let's talk about design. Both bags are crafted from durable, waterproof Cordura fabric that stands up to rugged terrain, unpredictable weather, and the daily adventures of van life. They don't just perform, they look good doing it. Whether you're a fan of earthy neutrals or pops of personality, there's a color to match your journey. And don't just take our word for it. Watch as 2 of our amazing customers share how the beige bags have upgraded their daily van routine. Spoiler alert, they're not going back.
I think I just found my new favorite car camping accessory, and I want to show you guys. This is from Living in a Bubble, and they make a premium seat back storage. Reason why I wanted this for car camping is because every time we sleep in the car, I love it, but I lose my keys, I lose my phone, don't know where the water is, just everything is either fallen down or I don't remember which door I put it in. So now everything's organized right here. So here's where I put my book or my Kindle, and then also my phone at night. They have these convenient hooks where I can hook the keys so I always know where they are, which is so important. There is a water bottle holder, so this is nice when you wake up in the middle of the night and you're so thirsty. We have that there. Next, they have a detachable, it's magnet, toiletry makeup bag. So in here I have like brush, toilet paper, wet wipes, you know, things you need for camping. This is so nice. And then down here is where I keep like the flashlight. I have my dog's leash because he sleeps in the car with me. So stuff like that down in this container here. They have a couple different colors, but I love this light beige, and this is really gonna elevate my car camping experience.
My van is on the smaller side, and I just found the perfect solution to my limited storage space. I only have 1 pocket on the back of the seat to store items, and it's just not enough. This is the seat back storage by Living in a Bubble. I have so much more storage now, and I love how it keeps me organized. This is gonna make van life so much more enjoyable.
No more digging through drawers or turning your seat upside down. It features a smart mesh pocket for quick grabs, a large multifunctional pocket for bigger items like maps, paper towels, or tech gear, and a versatile open pocket perfect for bottles and sunscreen. Plus, it works on swivel seats so you can rotate freely without removing the bag. Need to freshen up at a campsite? The detachable magnetic toiletry bag holds up to 2.4 kilograms and lets you bring your essentials wherever you need them. Snap it off, carry it with you, and snap it back on when you're done. That's grab and go convenience, reimagined. Now let's take a look at the utility bag, a game changer for keeping clothes, shoes, or laundry sorted without the mess. With smart wet and dry separation inside, it keeps your van odor-free and clutter-free. The magnetic snapback closure keeps everything contained while you roll down winding roads. Whether you're cruising coastlines with your partner, exploring national parks solo, or soaking up sunsets post-retirement, our storage solutions are made for real travelers living real adventures. At Living in a Bubble, we believe every detail in your van should serve a purpose and spark a little joy. So, if you're ready to organize smarter, live cleaner, and travel more beautifully, it's time to upgrade your space with our newest storage bags. Click below to explore our full range and bring home your new favorite travel companion. Live freely, pack smart, explore more with Living in a Bubble.